Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Lifestyle Personal. Today, I'm going to show you one of my favorite quick and tasty recipes, boiled egg fry. So let's get started. Step 8. Prepare the ingredients. First, I took two medium-sized onions and chopped them into small pieces. Then I chopped one ripe tomato and kept it aside. Next, I took half a bell pepper, cut it into long, thin slices for some color and crunch. I also chopped a few garlic cloves and a small piece of ginger into fine pieces. Once all the veggies were ready, I moved on to the eggs. Step 2. Prepare the boiled egg. I took 4 boiled eggs and carefully removed the shells. Then, I separated the yolks and whites. I cut the egg whites into small pieces and kept the yolks whole. We'll add them at the end for a rich texture. Step 3. Cooking the base masala. Now let's heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is warm, I added the chopped onions, garlic, and ginger. For extra flavor, I added a few whole spices, a small stick of cinnamon, 2 thin cloves, a little black stone flower, and 1 star anise. I also added 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then I sauteed everything on low flame until the onions turned golden and the spices released their aroma. Step 4. Add bell pepper tomato. Once the onions were soft and fragrant, I added the chopped bell pepper and gave it a good stir. After a minute, I added the chopped tomatoes and mixed everything well. To help the veggies cook faster, I added a little water, covered the pan with a lid, and let it cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. Make sure to stir once or twice in between. Step 5. Spice it up. After 10 minutes, I opened the pan. The vegetables were nicely cooked and soft. Now it was time to add the masalas. 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. A pinch of turmeric. 1 teaspoon chaat masala. 1 teaspoon coriander, dhania powder. And salt to taste. I mixed everything well so the masala coated the veggies nicely. Add the eggs. Now I added the chopped egg whites and gently mixed them with the masala. The eggs soaked up all that flavor. It already smelled so good. Finally, I crumbled the egg yolks on top and gave it one last mix. The yolk adds richness and makes the fry creamy and delicious. Ready to serve. And that's it. Our boiled egg fry is ready to serve. It's spicy, flavorful, and perfect with chapati, roti, or even plain rice. You can even serve it as a starter or side dish. It's that versatile. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Lifestyle Personal for more quick and tasty home recipes. Let me know in the comments if you tried this. I'd love to hear how it turned out.